How to play OTR 2 without background music. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to play OTR 2 without the background music, then first of all launch open the game on your device, and once you do that, go to the main menu page. If you've not joined into a game, then you'll end up in this page over here where you'll need to click options on the left. Inside the options tab, you'll see the sound and music options. Go ahead and increase or decrease the sound or music option. If you want to turn off the music completely, go ahead and swipe the slider towards the left on music and sound as well. And no matter your device's volume is to the max or to the low, you can now go ahead and play the game without any kind of a music. If you don't want to adjust it within the game, then you can also turn off your volume from your device and you'll be able to play the game without any background music. Now you can enjoy a quieter driving experience with just the sound you want to hear. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.